Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps of adding multiple videos to your Instagram story. It's super simple, so stick around till the end. To add multiple videos to your Instagram story, just open the Instagram app and tap on the Your Story icon. From there, select the videos you want to add. You can even sort them if you like. Once you've made your selections, tap on the arrow icon and voila! Your videos are added. You can also change the order of the videos easily. Once you're happy with the arrangement, tap the arrow icon again, and your story is good to go. That's how easy it is to add multiple videos to your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching till the end.